What causes tooth grinding? Now, tooth grinding, or bruxism as us dentists call it, is one of the most controversial topics in dentistry. But generally speaking, there's four causes. Number one, drugs, whether that's hardcore drugs like cocaine and ecstasy, all the way through to caffeine and coffee, can overstimulate your brain, causing grinding. Number two, stress from daily grind of life. Once again, overstimulates your brain, causing grinding. Three, what we call parafunctional habits. People just get in a habit of grinding their teeth as a form of stress relief or comfort, causing damage. And number four, often it could be the side effects of various medicines. So please see your dentist and see what we can do for you.